Renovating the chateau was so much fun. We had such a good time doing it. But renovating the ancient animal building into a place for us to live has been totally different. Whether it's because we now, you know, we've transferred those DIY skills to a much higher level. We've learned so much doing the chateau. It just seems to be moving along so swiftly. And it's just, we've had so much fun doing it. It's been absolutely brilliant. However, we have come across a slight problem. Not one that's insurmountable. It never is. Last week you saw us building up the wall at the back so we could put a window in. And the idea was that we find a second-hand window that we could put in there. Now we have looked everywhere. Le Bon Coin, which is kind of the equivalent to eBay in the UK, which is a really good second-hand place to look. We've been around all the brocants, we've looked on Marketplace, and we haven't been able to find any windows and doors that can go in this place. Now the main thing is we can't put PVC windows in there. Because it's a historical monument, it has to be wooden windows. And they have to be double glazed. It's been a bit of a struggle. So we've had to go out and find some new windows at a budget price. So this is the window opening at the moment. The windows we've got are quite plain, just a wood frame, and they open. Now obviously French windows open inwards. So the problem we've got with this is that the window will come to about here, but it can't open because we've got these huge pieces of stone here that are sticking out. So we need to level it off to about here. So I need to take these stones out. So Ted's at French this morning. While he's out learning his French, I'm going to try and get these stones out so that by the time he comes back, we can have the window ready and we can start laying in the extra stones that we've got to put here to bring it up a bit, and we can then start hopefully putting the window in, which would be amazing because that means then I can finish rendering this bit and this entire wall is then finished with the rendering. Yeah, really excited to get a window in here and get it sort of buttoned up. So let's try and get these big stones out. I need to try and get these out without disabling too much else. Anybody that knows taking stone out of a wall, you need a little hole like that, you end up with a big hole like that. But we'll see how we get on. Let's get the SDS. Hey, first one's out. Now, that was easier than it looked. I think this is the last one. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so the length of the window is 85. So I'm just going to mark here how much we need to build the wall up to. And then I'm going to put the laser level on it, and then I know for certain. Right, that's great. That's exactly on my line here. And just a bit below that one, so that's brilliant. So now I know where I'm going to. Let's go grab some stones. Yes, that's a nice one. Do I move that over? Move that to there. Perfect. Lovely. Right, let's get mixing up.
Hello.
Oh, hello, baby.
How you doing? All right.
Yes, how are you?
Flipping hell, that looks amazing.
Yeah?
That's absolutely wonderful. You should have built the wall in the first place, I reckon.
What do you think?
No, it looks fantastic.
Yeah?
Yeah. Have you? I presume the laser is where.
Yeah.
That's going to where the window's going to go in, is it?
Yeah, so the laser for the windows going, so all we need to do now is make a box
Right.
to put on here so I can fill it. So we've got a nice flat level for the
Oh,
window
that'd be a better idea. Yeah. Makes my life easier.
Just on top of the stone, we'll just do a thin layer just so that we've got a nice flat level.
It's going to be rendered this side anyway.
Ready
and
with the seal.
that will probably, if we can, I'm going to make the window sill anyway, for the window to slot into. That was the idea. I can always make it deeper so it just finishes up that edge off.
Yeah.
No, that's nice. You've done a fantastic job. Not that I don't trust her, but we'll just have a quick measure up, make sure it's all right.
Oh, don't trust me then.
Oh, no, I was just,
Are we having a little check?
we're just having a little check.
Is it right?
That one we knew is a problem,
Yeah.
but it'll do.
It'll do.
It'll do.
I'll live with that.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I'm trying to be more French, aren't I? I don't want to gush about things. Yeah, it's all right. You do good work.
Thank you.
There you go. That'll do, won't it?
Yeah.
Right, I've put a piece of board in here so somebody can fill this nice little gap here. So we get, hopefully, a relatively flat edge on this side so the window can go in there. This is, in the great scheme of things, relatively flat. This one is not. So that is why we need to put this board in. It should be fine once you start compact. I've done you a relatively dry mix so you can just pack it in with stones and then all the way to the top. Thank you very much.
Okay, I'll get on with it.
Get on with it.
Has it worked? Yes! Woohoo! Yes. Yes. We have a window.
Well, positively toasty here now, isn't it? Only got one hole, Phil.
I'm in my t-shirt.
So while I continue rendering around the new window, just let me take this opportunity to thank all of you for your support. Thank you to all of our patrons that help us week on week. If you'd like to become a patron, see the link in the description. Get all the behind the scenes, the extra footage, the juicy gossip and all of the general updates. And thank you so much to everybody that's donated to the Why Donate page or bought materials for the renovation. We are so grateful for your help. We know that not everybody can afford to make donations, so those of you that just watch the videos, watch through the ads, thank you so much. You too are such a big support to us.
Yes.
Blow it.
That looks so cool. We have a kitchen window.
Hey,
That is so good.
it's nice, isn't it? It's amazing.
Absolutely brilliant. That's really good work, baby.
Thank you. It's, well, you know, this is all your lovely work. You've done really well now.
So all we've got to do now is put a pretend to make a windowsill that will go this side. And then once all the mortar has gone off, we can do the paintwork. And then this wall is kind of finished, isn't it?
This will be ready. Yeah, that's it. It's all done. It's all done. A little bit tinkering on the outside for this window, but apart from that, it's all done.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, thumbs up. It really adds to the algorithms and helps us go a long, long way. And comment, please.
Yeah. Now all we got to do is put a door in.
Yes.
So that's next project. Although we're nearly finished on the Great Wall of Fame.
Yeah. So come back next week.
Come back next week and have a
See
look
the
at
Great
that.
Wall of Fame getting on, and yeah, we've got a mortaring workshop next week, so you'll be seeing a bit of that as well. Some of our visitors turning up and learning how to do the pointing. If you want to come and do a pointing workshop with us, then just send us an email, put your point of interest in, and then we will look at dates to do perhaps early summer.
Well, whenever you get the people, that's the
Yes.
thing. Whenever you can get the people together,
Yeah.
and people want to come and stay. And there's the other thing is that we've got a couple of couples coming to stay. One of our patrons is actually coming to stay,
Yeah.
so we're looking forward to that.
Yeah, meeting Jill.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll see you all next week. Take care, everyone. Love to all. See you soon.
See you later.
Brilliant.
Fantastic. I can see it's not. I was looking out in the garden, and there's a dog.